the genetic information for each cell. The main difference between a prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell happens to be the presence of the nucleus. The front office of the school acts as the nucleus because it stores the information of everything in it.
The nucleus is at the center of the nucleus, the brain of the cell. The nucleus has one of the most important functions in the entire cell, which is the creation of ribosomes. Ribosomes are involved in protein synthesis, protein being used for almost everything that the cell does. Just like the nucleolus, a teacher helps create or make students better. Students, being like ribosomes, help create things for the future or help society function as it's supposed to.
Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is found in the cells. It's different from the rough endoplasmic reticulum because the rough endoplasmic reticulum has ribosomes, which this doesn't. Its main function is lipid synthesis and carbohydrate synthesis, which is also found in the vending machine within the school. These vending machines also produce lipids and carbohydrates for our bodies to use, just like the smooth endoplasmic reticulum.
Reticulum is responsible for synthesizing and packaging proteins for the cell. Ribosomes are attached to the outside of the endoplasmic reticulum, making it appear rough. In many ways, the teachers at Hillcrest are similar to the rough ER because they make lesson plans and worksheets that are responsible for the structure and foundation of this of the entire school.
The function of the Golgi apparatus is to sort, package, and distribute proteins throughout the cell, kind of like the mail room, because all of the stuff in here is sorted, packaged, and distributed to each teacher so they can give information to everyone inside of the school.
The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. It helps in cellular respiration and provides energy for the entire cell. Somewhat like Miss Morrow here, the energizing force behind Hillcrest High School, who brings us up and helps us become better one patriot at a time.
Chloroplast in cells mainly functions to help plants photosynthesize. The green part in cells and they absorb sunlight to help create glucose. Much like this greenhouse here, which helps incubate like the sunlight and keep the heat in to help these plants actually in the cell of this greenhouse produce glucose.
Another part of the cell is the vacuole. Especially in plant cells, the vacuole is much bigger than it is in animal cells. The vacuole has many functions such as storing water and storing nutrients, but it also can expel water that it doesn't need, and it can help in digestion. Just like the pool here, it is filled with fluids, mostly water. Hopefully all that's in here is water, but you never tell. Anyways, the vacuole is super important, usually in drawings of a plant cell. It's huge, much bigger than many other organelles in the cell. But it's mostly water and nutrients that the plant needs to survive. And just like that, in animal cells, just in a much smaller scale. So,
the lysosomes are responsible for collecting and getting rid of waste. It also recycles the waste. Kind of like the trash can.
We're in the hallways at Hillcrest. Something we walk through every day. It's also like something each of us has inside of ourselves. Inside of each of our cells. A cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton helps with transportation and organization inside each cell, just like these hallways help with organization and transportation inside the school. The hallways help us get to class on time, where we need to be, and with the materials we need to be, just like the cytoskeleton. Also, it helps with the organization of the school, how each of the halls have a certain curriculum on them.
Spindles are found within the nucleus. During replication, they split to opposite poles and produce spindle fibers. Just like when the bell rings during school, students scatter and go to different places and do different things, just like the centrioles will split to different poles to perform different functions.
The plasma cell membrane is a selective barrier around the cell that protects the insides of the cell while allowing some nutrients in and letting waste out. This is much like the walls of our school because it protects the things inside while keeping the bad things outside, like criminals, even though they could probably easily get in through this door. But it's selective because we have our staff running so that they don't let people in.